Hi my friends, oh look at this thunderstorm. I want to show you really quickly my last artwork, and I'd like to share with you my thoughts I was trying to express in this drawing. As you can see, this girl with leaves, and these leaves, they around her look like a protective coat which helps her. I was trying to express connection with nature. As you see, I put accent on this part of drawing. Really, we are all nature, and it helps us, this connection, when we feel it. It helps us in life a lot. And also here, as you see, this leaf like growing from her elbow. I like to show connection between different objects in my drawing. It's my passion. And here you can see these lines I made in one direction. It creates movement and adds life to drawing. Here I don't like to draw in realistic way. I just wanna draw the most needful things I see and do it in more like minimalistic style. So I put also accent on her eyes because it's the main point of my drawing. Eyes, they are very expressive and I love to draw them so much. So here is the most huge part which should take attention of the viewer, of observer who looks at my drawing. And here you can see her floral patterns on her t-shirt. I love it so much. It's also like, images of nature and this butterfly too, but I made it just like a little hint. I didn't do it too much detailed to not overweight it. I just drew her face very detailed and this leaf, because this is the main leaf. Other leaves, they are just hints on the leaves, not to distract from the main point of picture. So this is it. I wish you happy drawing, my friends, and bye bye. See you in my next videos.